Okay, so today's problem is a bit controversial. It's from the book Higher Engineering Mathematics by Dr. B.S. Grewal. Very popular book, especially in India. I mean, in each and every university, this is the most referred book. Okay, so you have yourself a biquadratic equation. You can see n, that is the degree, is equal to 4. Therefore, the number of roots are going to be 4. That's for sure. It has also been given that it has 2 parts of equal root. What does that mean? So, I wasn't able to understand how can I make a mathematical condition from this statement. It has 2 parts of equal root. What does that mean? So I checked at the back of the book what exactly is the answer, and I saw the answer is 1, 1, 2, 2. And now I thought it is possible that one part may be a combination of 1 plus 2, while the other part may be a combination of again 1 plus 2. Okay, it is possible. It is possible, right? This is what my assumption was, so I just wrote down the equation again. There are 4 roots: alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So alpha plus beta can be equated to gamma plus delta. This is my assumption, right? Now what's up? And even if you want to take a look at the graph, let me just show this to you. Why not? Let's take a look at the graph. Let me put it as 2. The profile is same. Let me increase the value to 3. Okay, shifted upwards, and now the moment I keep this value as 4, here you can clearly see that the plot is just touching the x-axis. It is not intersecting. If it was intersecting, there would have been only one single root over there, but since it is touching, as we've discussed it before, there at that very point we are going to have as many as 2 roots. So 1, 1, and here also we are going to have 2 roots, 2, 2. So that's the idea. Okay, all right, let's go ahead now. The first thing is to use the sum property. Let me minus, plus, minus, plus. Start with the sum property. Sum of all the roots alpha, beta, gamma and delta is equal to negative of negative 6 divided by the coefficient of x to the power 4, that is 1. Just do it. Alpha plus beta is equal to gamma plus delta and vice versa. So in place of gamma plus delta, we can write alpha plus beta. So this is going to be 2 times of alpha plus beta. Okay, it is equal to 3. Simplification. Now, if alpha plus beta is equal to 3, gamma plus delta is also going to be equal to 3, and I'll be using a slightly unconventional approach from over here. So these are the 2 roots, these are the other 2 roots. 2 roots can make a quadratic, these 2 roots can also make a quadratic, and when these 2 quadratic equations combine, they become biquadratic. That means an equation of degree 4. We know very well, sir, that x is square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots. This is the standard template for a quadratic equation. Here we can see these are the 2 roots. So in place of sum of the roots, we can write it as 3. Okay, and this is x, and that's x square plus product of the roots, sir, we don't have any data. So let me keep this as p. For the second one, what we can do is again the same funda. Sum of the roots is 3, so x square minus 3x plus product of the roots. What these roots are, we don't know. So let me write this as q. So these 2 are going to be my new 2 quadratic equations, which I am going to combine. I am going to multiply with each other. Now x square into x square into 3x, x square into q. Yeah, just do the math. You know all of these things. Expand. Expand. You've got to be very focused when you do these things. Okay. Now collect the terms with same powers. Like x power 4 is alone. 3x cube and 3x cube will become minus 6x cube. Okay. Just write it down. Now we are going to make a comparison with this original equation. If you watch this, q plus 9 plus p is equal to positive 13. Just do it. P plus q is equal to 4. That's the first result which we have got from comparison. Secondly, the coefficient of x is negative of 3q plus 3p, and here it is negative 12. Equate. You're going to end up with the same result. Thirdly, you can equate plus 4 to pq. This is what you get, and q basically can be written as 4 over p. You can plug in this value of q into this equation over here, so that p plus 4 pi p is equal to 4. Now this is going to indeed become a quadratic. You can multiply both sides by p. So p square plus 4 is equal to 4p. Simplify then. P square minus 4p plus 4 is equal to 0. This basically p square minus 2p plus 4 is equal to 0. Take p as common. Okay, p minus 2, p minus 2. And basically p is equal to 2. This is what we get. Now you know the value of p. What about this value of q, sir? P and q have been related as p plus q is equal to 4. Let's use this. Here we go. Done. So the value of q obtained is 2. Done, sir. Now what? So once you've got p and q, you can plug in their values into these equations, these quadratic equations. Let me do that. Here we go. That's p and that's q. Okay. So 2 into coefficient of x square is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. You need to think about two numbers whose product is 2 and whose sum is 2. 2 into 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, sum of the roots. Yeah. Product of the roots. Yeah. So I mean, this is the best approach. Minus x minus 2x or minus 2x minus x. Take x as common and you know the rest of the stuff. Okay, so here we have it, the beautiful form x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 1, x minus 2. So the roots are 1, 2, 1, 2. That's it. So damn simple. Okay. I'm sure this video has helped you learn about engineering mathematics and the corresponding solution of equations. So that was all from my side today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. And do share the video with your friends and classmates so that everyone can benefit. Thank you.